गाइडेंस अगर मैंने पिछले 9 साल से ACCA स्टूडेंट्स को, आपके जैसे ACCA स्टूडेंट्स को मेंटोर किया है, so please listen to this video in full, because in this video I'm only going to be focusing upon कि last 1 month में what should be the strategy to prepare for the exams. First of all, let me assure you that this feeling of anxiety, nervousness, डर लगना is absolutely normal, but please don't panic. With right guidance and technique, you will definitely be able to pass your ACCA exam. So now let's decode कि next 1 month में what is it that you should be doing to be able to pass this ACCA exam. But उसके लिए first I have to assess that which category of the student do you fall into. The first category of the student is those who are on top of their preparation, almost done with their syllabus. So first of all, because आपका syllabus almost खत्म होने वाला है, now is the time to focus on practice. ACCA practice platform पे do as many mocks as you can. मिनिमम 3 मॉक्स तो करने ही करने हैं, बिकॉज दिस इज गोइंग टू टेल यू द एक्चुअल रिगर ऑफ द एग्जाम. प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस, देयर इज नो शॉर्टकट टू प्रैक्टिस. जितने ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस अभी सॉल्व करोगे, द मोर एग्जाम रेडी यू आर गोइंग टू बी. सो कोई भी टॉपिक अगर आप मेरे से पूछोगे कि मैम इस टॉपिक पे कितने क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करने हैं, सो माय आंसर विल ऑलवेज बी each and every question from the practice and revision kit of BPP or Kaplan you have to do. ACCA Study Hub is a great tool. हर चैप्टर के एंड में क्विजेज हैं, वेरी क्विक 5 questions on that particular topic. Very quickly assess yourself for those quizzes कि ये टॉपिक 5 क्वेश्चन आते हैं कि नहीं आते हैं. Pre-June mock exam has to be done by you. This is something which is going to be released by the ACCA itself. कब और कहाँ, I will roll out in the group. But yes, this mock exam you have to do. Come to the center, do this exam under timed scenario, like the actual exam. Submit this question to your trainers. We will get it assessed and we will give you guidance in terms of what did you do good, what better you could have done, and the areas which you need to work upon as well. Examiner's report is a document from the examining team telling you कि जिन students ने में वो actual exam दिया था, उन students ने कैसा perform किया था, what were the mistakes that they had done, which you are not going to repeat in your exam. Let's learn from the mistakes of other people. Bottom line, remember that your mentor, your ACCA trainer is going to be your best friend for the next 1 month at least. Please reach out for doubts, reach out for questions, reach out for any concept clarity if you have, if you still need more clarity. Your ACCA mentor and your ACCA trainers are going to be your best friend for the next 1 month till the time you give your exam. Reach out to your trainers, ask lots of doubts, submit practice questions for your trainer to assess and give you an evaluation upon. Okay, अब बात करते हैं second category of students की, जिन्होंने अभी तक ACCA की एग्जाम की प्रेपरेशन स्टार्ट नहीं करी है. Undoubtedly situation थोड़ी टफ है बॉस, बिकॉज 1 मंथ में 3 मंथ का, मिनिमम 3 मंथ्स का कंटेंट कवर करना is going to be difficult. But yes, I am not saying कि ये doable नहीं है. If you give me your 100% dedication for the next 1 month at least, और कुछ बेसिक टिप्स जो मैं आपको दे रही हूँ, अगर आप वो फॉलो कर लोगे, at least I can assure कि आप पास हो जाओगे. First things first, find yourself a good mentor for ACCA. Someone who can handhold you, someone who can help you prepare with the right technique for the upcoming exam, because time is of essence now. पूरा syllabus तो अब obviously 1 month में cover आप नहीं कर सकते हो, but what you need to do is refer to your trainer notes, because they will act as quick revision notes. And once you are done with the trainer notes for a particular topic, open up your practice and revision kits, do each and every question, either BPP or Kaplan. But yes, one kit you have to do इन कंप्लीशन, एक सिंगल क्वेश्चन भी नहीं छोड़ना किट में से. मॉक एग्जाम्स, देयर इज नो रिप्लेसमेंट फॉर मॉक्स. 3 mocks on the practice platform have to be done. Your pre-June mock exam is again very, very important. Do these mocks, refer to the examiner's report, submit these mocks to your trainer for assessment. At least you will know your good areas, you will know your weak areas for which you will be able to prepare yourself better for the upcoming exam. Remember, the right exam technique could be the game changer in ACCA exams. Time management, concept clarity, question practice. This is all that is going to matter at the end of the day. So be sincere for the next 1 month. Dedicate yourself towards the upcoming exam. And if you do that, I can assure you that you will pass your ACCA exam. So no procrastination. Start studying in full force now. All the very best for your upcoming exam. Feel free to reach out to me, your chief mentor at the Wall Street School for the ACCA program, as well as your ACCA trainers here, and we will all be there to support you in this journey. Thank you.